Oh, I'm sorry.
I mean,
that works best for me. I like the flashing because I can see them better.
It would actually be cool if I made the strobing red lights like triple flash. That'd look cool. I might do that. Yeah, Jack's gonna be at my house on Monday. So.
Oh, okay.
Alright, ready?
Yes, sir.
Taking them.
Timer cleared.
Oh, the buttocks is on fire! Oh, this buttocks is on fire, eh?
Ouch!
Huh?
Put out the fire!
Put out the fire in my booty.
Alright, let's... Where are you? There you are. I'll do a fast pass behind you. You always pull up beyond my hat. And I just stalled.
Oh, the buttocks is on fire. That is a fiery buttock.
Alright, now I'd like to be able to kind of do some formation so we don't get too out of sync.
Oh, that was cool. I just did a full roll and then mixed in some water.
It'll flip, yeah.
There you go, you fiery buttocks.
Right up there. Alright. So let me get down low.
What the hell what are we doing?
That's what I'm asking you because I don't know where you're going. Alright, let me join up with you. Just keep doing what you're doing, I'll catch up.
I like to fly fast now so I can see that fiery buttock.
Yeah. There you go.
I'm going to come by slow and I'm going to punch it and go up.
Okay.
Those red strobes look sick.
I'll stay down low, go ahead. Nice.
I'm doing a fast pass from the right.
Okay.
Let me get this on video. Fiery buttock.
Tell me when you've gone by. Well, I'll see you. I'm doing one from the left.
Alright, fiery buttock.
Time remaining 1 minute.
I'm coming from the right. But easier to see over there, sheesh. Can't see it at all with the left.
Hello. This is fun.
Definitely saw, oh, I felt that.
Felt what?
You're the jet wash.
30 seconds.
I haven't been flying all that hard, so I'm good on battery. I got a 6 in mine. Don't pull up, I'm right there.
Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
I haven't been flying
2,
that hard, so I still
1.
got plenty of time.
Time expired.
Oh, there's suicidal birds right there.
Uh-oh.
I almost hit the suicidal birds. What do you think about coming in?
Right now.
Alright, cool.
Gear down.
I'm already ready to do my approach right now. Oh wait, we're landing downwind. It's alright, as long as we get... Yeah, and I'm gonna go right to left to right.
I'm coming in from the right. Here, you land farthest out, I'll land closer.
We'll do the other way because I'm already here.
I'm landing closest to us.
Okay.
I'm short final, I'm gonna make
Go. I'll be all the way off to the furthest away from us. Wow. I had to slide because I couldn't see anything else.
Well, I couldn't see my plane. I was way slower than I thought I was.
All right, we're done.
Yeah.
I can't see.
That was still fun. Nah, I don't know if I'm gonna fly that again.
I'm
Speaking
done.
of which, I gotta get your battery out.
I'm done.
Your battery's sitting in
My eyes are having a hard time seeing.
there. I might fly the course there again.
That thing you can see.
Actually, I don't think I have a battery charge. I'll probably actually